Want to keep mice, cockroaches, and spiders out of your home for good? You won't believe this simple trick I discovered using toilet paper. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make an incredible pest repellent that actually works. Let's get started. Here's how it works. First, grab a roll of toilet paper and place it directly into a pot of boiling water. Once the paper starts soaking up the water, use tongs to gently turn it over. We want it to be completely saturated and soft. Now, carefully remove the toilet paper and let it cool. Once it's cool enough to handle, tear it into small pieces like this. Here's where the magic happens. To your torn up toilet paper, add 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds, a capful of rubbing alcohol, a pinch of ground cinnamon, and finally a spoonful of toothpaste. Mix it all together and then form small balls with the mixture. It should look something like this. Now, place these balls into small containers, like tiny plastic containers. Then put them in the corners of your home. Since I started using this method, mice, cockroaches, and spiders have completely disappeared from my home. This mixture is a powerful, natural repellent that keeps those pests away. Place these containers in strategic, hidden spots around your house, and I promise you'll never see those pests again. It's so easy, and it really works. Try this hack today and say goodbye to pests for good. Drop a comment below to let me know how it works for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome home hacks.